For now, we have not cut the site. So if you have your section maybe somewhere here, you will not be able to see the portion of the column underneath the site. So that's why I'm moving this section right on the grid, so that if I click outside and then double click on the head, I will now be able to see my pier, which is underneath the site. So this is the site. You won't be able to see it if this is not, or the section is not cutting through the pier itself. Now what I wanted to show here is the location of your pier. So it's right on the underside of footing, but you can easily change this if you want to. You can bring it lower or higher. So how do you do that? Let's go to the 3D view. And if you want to change all of this, it's a lot easier to simply maybe go to a front or any elevation view in the 3D view. See, the nice thing about a 3D view is that all items are selectable. If it is a regular elevation, I will only be able to select the ones that are visible here in the view. So I want to change, let's say, the height of the pier. So I can do a crossing select, selecting only the piers or the level where the pier is, and then go to filter, check none, and select the structural column. I'll click apply and OK, and notice that if I go and orbit around, I have selected all my piers. Once you have done that, then you can now change the level. So let's say you do want a base offset of a particular value, let's say 320. Move your cursor away, and then it's actually saying that an attached structural foundation, the isolated footing, will be moved to the bottom of the column. Wow, I do like that, right? So I'll click OK. And if that's the level you want your piers to be, then the isolated footing or pads also went up by a value of 320. So going back to our section view, you'll see that now it is right on the underside footing. Now you can change that to whatever level you want. I don't really mind, as long as the footing or pad is connected to the pier. So make adjustments and try to see how easy it is to revise it. Okay? For Revit means revise it.